I got a deuce. My brother gave it to me before he went into county jail. Got it under my bed. You want to see?
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beat. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, switch hands, all the above. This is the first time I'm doing a video like this. This is actually going to be something that I've wanted to do for the longest. I'm in the DR. Obviously. Got an apartment, a 1-bedroom apartment, courtesy of Airbnb. I just want to do a quick review of the apartment. Like I said, I've been meaning to do this like 3 apartments ago, but I just never had a chance to do it. So since I'm alone, I'm gonna give y'all a first-hand look at the apartment, what y'all can expect from this apartment if you do actually choose to come here. And I don't know, the rest is a wrap. So anyway, y'all follow me. Once you enter the apartment, the first thing you're gonna see is some paintings on the wall. To your right, open up the door. You got your toilet. This is for guests though. It's not for you. This is just a single toilet, that's it. Bam, this is popping right here. You got that full mirror so you can get them selfies. You already know, got to get them angles right, boy.
Don't call me a boy, please.
Now you got your kitchen / laundry area. Refrigerator. Freezer. A nice stove. This is a nice stove right here, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah. You wanna make some grilled cheese or a sandwich? Boom, got a sandwich maker, microwave. Right here you got your Whirlpool washer and dryer. Fancy. What I do like about this apartment is, where we at? Oh, they had their own coffee maker. The countertops are nice. Here's the living room right here. Nice size couch, pretty cool, pretty comfortable. Hey, something very
All right, relax, man.
that was lacking in our last Airbnb. AC in the living room. Always a freaking must, boy, and this AC blows. Word. All right, now if you look outside, you got a balcony, a nice size balcony if I may add. Now I actually moved the chairs over here because I do something on my channel called a on foot, and I thought that the wall would be a good touch. So if you are chilling out here and you got a cell phone charger, yeah, you can charge your phone out here and it's all good. You got a lot of room right here. Now, right over there is the balcony to the master bedroom. Don't think I'll be on that. It's not really that big.
Pause.
It's cool, but you know. You can even draw the curtains if you want that privacy at night. That's another good thing. So now we're about to step to the bedroom with no magic happens. Got the bedroom right here. Nice size bedroom. Got a TV in the bedroom as well. And don't forget about that damn AC. Do not. Excuse the luggage, but you do have a balcony out here. Nice to look out of. Don't think I'll be really sitting out there. There's really no point. Another deal breaker. Another great thing that I like about this room is
Turn off the lights.
yeah, hell yeah. The last couple Airbnbs that I stayed at, their room is too much light was coming in, and I love the sun, don't get me wrong, but not when I'm trying to sleep. I want it as dark as I don't know what time it is, you know? But no, this is a great view right here. It's definitely a great view. You got your hot water heater. In the DR, this is key right here, because you'll be definitely with some cold water if you don't hit that button. Here, we got the walk-in closet. Just give you a little, okay. Shout out to Gangs Gang. You already know. Hang up your clothes. Also, if you come with somebody else, they can hang up their clothes too. Well, I can hang up my clothes. You got your bathroom right here, nice walk-in shower. Window looking outside so you can see how beautiful the day is. Toilet, regular bathroom. I love the flooring. The flooring's great too. This is a pretty modern apartment right here, I would say. That's really key for me. The price was great. I think it cost me, we're in August now, this is like $53 a night. Isn't bad, definitely isn't. It's very comfortable, I can't lie, it's very comfortable. The couch is comfortable, the whole setup is convenient. The host, great host as well. Anytime you need him, text him, boom, and he'll get it done. So that's another good thing. I love customer service. That's one big thing for me, because when I'm paying for something, I want the service to go with it. Now, if the description said it's gonna be horrible customer service, then that'd be my fault if I pay for it. But I don't look for the horrible customer service. We look for the good. But yeah, so man, that's about it. But yeah, this is a real comfortable spot right here. Great distance from like the mall, the Acropolis Mall. Probably like 7 minutes away, give or take. Talking about traffic. You got your bodega down there, mad close. You also have, got a swimming pool too. Have a swimming pool. Don't know if I'm gonna be in it though, but it's a public pool. nah, this spot is great. Hit that like button if you do like this vid right here. Hit the like button if you want this, if you like this apartment. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave the information below. The Airbnb, I guess, property number. So if you are in Santo Domingo, hit that link. You can stay here for the low. Well, yeah, like I said, when I look at apartments, I do look for something modern. I want something to look comfortable, not really like old school. I remember the first apartment that I came to back in, I don't know, it was like 2010. It was not an Airbnb, but it was okay, but it was kind of like a little old school with it. I don't play that big backs on the TV. No. So yeah, anyway, man, so it's the Airbnb joint right here. Yo, the lights, this is cool right here too. The lighting is great inside of this whole apartment. And if you want lights, you got it. Whenever you don't want it, bam, there you go. And like I said, the AC is great. So you got everything you pretty much need, man. Yeah. So anyway, man, about to get up out of here. This was the tour of the Santo Domingo Airbnb apartment that I'm staying in. I'll be here for like 5 days, and I look forward to exploring Santo Domingo again. But anyway, yo, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. Oh! But that Snups.
Hey man, I don't fucking know, okay?
It's your boy Wavy. You already notice my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you.